Welcome back to Bonna's Kitchen. For today's episode, we will make Pan de Coco. Pan de Coco or coconut bread is a sweet, soft bread stuffed with sweetened coconut meat. It is a popular snack in the Philippines. Let's get baking! For the dough, we need 4 cups of bread flour, 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1 pouch or 7 grams of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of sugar for activating the yeast. For the filling, we will need 2 cups of grated coconut. If you don't have the fresh coconut, you can use the desiccated coconut. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also find the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, activate the yeast by combining the milk, sugar, yeast, and mix them together. Then set this aside for about 5 minutes or until it becomes bubbly. Next, combine the dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, and salt, and whisk them together until combined. In a bowl, combine the wet ingredients, the melted butter, yeast mixture, and the eggs. Mix them together until well combined. Then, gradually add the flour into the wet mixture, around 1/2 cup at a time, and mix it. Make sure that you only add enough flour until you form a dough. Just like this one. Sprinkle some flour onto the work surface and transfer the dough over it. And sprinkle some flour on top of the dough. And knead this for about 10 minutes or until it becomes smooth and elastic. Shape the dough into a ball and place it into a bowl lightly greased with oil. Cover it with tea towel and let this rise for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. In a pan over medium heat, add the coconut, sugar, milk, butter, and vanilla extract. Mix them together and cook them until the butter is melted. Our dough has already doubled in size. We will transfer this into the work surface. Punch the dough to deflate. Cut it in half. Set aside the other half. And form the other one into a log. And then cut it into 12 pieces. And shape it into a ball. And if the ball is small, maybe get some dough to the bigger size dough, like this one. I'm gonna add it to the other one. So to make sure that they're almost the same size. I think that they're alright. Now, flatten the dough. You can use a rolling pin, or you can use your hands to flatten it like this. And scoop a bit of the coconut filling and put it in the center. Cover the dough. Pinch it. And shape it. And transfer it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. Now, poke the top of the dough with fork. And cover this with a tea towel and let this rise for about 30 minutes. And while we're waiting for it to rise, we will preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, we will now brush our dough with egg wash. For the egg wash, just beat 1 egg. Bake them in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden. And here's our finished product! This is what it looks like inside. I hope you're going to try this recipe. This is really good. If you like the recipe, don't forget to hit the like, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified for the next delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!